Greetings, and today is an offer video with Google Translate. Today is Jeffy in different languages. Okay, do you know who's Jeffy? Yes, you know, this character from Super Mario Logan. Alright, let's go. Alright. Jeff. Jeffy, yeah. It's Jeffy. 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 Bosnian. Jeffy. Jeff. Jeffy. Jeffy. Greek. Zeffy. Danish. Jeffy. Indonesian. Jeffy. 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 Italian. Jeffy. Alright. Catalan. Jeffy. Chinese. What? Jeffy. I don't understand. Jeffy. Latin. Jeffy. Latvian. Jeffys. Great. Jeffy. Jeffy. German. Jeffy. Nepali. Jeffy. 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 Polish. Jeffy. Portuguese. Jeffy. Why I don't have Portuguese? Portugal. Why? Jeffy. Russian. Jeffy. Oh yeah. Alright. Serbian. Jeffy. Jeffy. Slovak. Jeffy. Jeffy. Thai. Jeffy. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Jeffy. Telugu. Jeffy. Turkish. Jeffy. Ukrainian. Jeffy. Urdu. Jeffy. Filipino. Jeffy. Finnish. Jeffy. French. Oh, come on. Its funniest language is French. Jeffy. 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 Swedish. Esperanto. Jeffy. Estonian. Jeffy. And Japanese. What? Jeffy. Well guys, thank you for watching that video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Watch plus videos, read my videos, write comments, and share video to your friends. I need a 200 subscribers. I'm gonna show challenge. Bye.